Today, I'll show you how to put images side by side in constant contact. Whether you're looking to create a visually engaging email or simply want to display multiple images together, this method will make it easy for you to get the layout just right. So let's dive in and explore this simple yet effective technique. First, you'll need to go to constantcontact.com. This is your starting point for accessing all the features you need to design your campaign. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a variety of options, but for now, our focus is on your campaigns. Next, find the campaign section. This is typically located in the main navigation area. Clicking on campaigns will take you to a list of all the campaigns you've created. From here, you can organize, analyze, and edit any of your existing projects. Now choose the campaign you want to edit. This might be a draft you're working on or an existing campaign that needs a refresh. Once you've selected the right campaign, click Edit. This will open up the editing interface where you can make changes to your email's design and content. Once you're in the editing mode, look to the left side of your screen and click on Content. This is where you'll find all the elements and blocks you can add to your campaign. It's like your toolbox for building the perfect email. Scroll down the content options until you find the two columns layout. This is the key to placing images side by side. By choosing this option, you're essentially splitting the content area into two equal parts, allowing you to add different elements to each side. Click on two columns to add this layout to your email. Now that you've set up the two-column layout, it's time to add your images. Simply drag and drop an image block into each column. If you already have images uploaded to your library, you can select them directly. Otherwise, you can upload new images from your device. When placing the images, consider the overall balance and composition. This is your chance to get creative and make sure the images complement each other. Adjust each image's size, alignment, and spacing to ensure they fit well within the columns. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also makes sure your message is clearly communicated. And there you have it. You've successfully placed images side by side in constant contact. By using the two-column layout, you can easily showcase multiple images in a clean and organized manner. This technique is perfect for highlighting products, events, or any visual content that benefits from being displayed together. Remember, the key to a standout email is not just great content, but also an effective layout that captures your audience's attention. So take your time to experiment with different images and arrangements to see what works best for your campaign. Thanks for watching and happy designing.